Hi, my name is John Hunter. I'm the lead designer for REL Acoustics. It's extremely important to me that even our entry-level customers have a very high standard that we never drop below. This Tzero is an amazing piece. It's finished beautifully in the same exact factories that we use for many of our more expensive pieces. 5 coats of hand-rubbed lacquer. It really is the business. Anything you see on one of our pieces that looks like billet aluminium is. This piece is an amazing accomplishment for a very, very low price. 6.5-inch driver, 100-watt amplifier, it's a smoker. The driver itself is a 6.5-inch pure aluminium driver, which means it's extremely lightweight. It really gets the dynamics. Most subwoofers tend to be a little bit heavy, a little sloggy. What you're gonna find with this piece is it's quick enough to keep up with virtually anything out there. And yet with 100 watts, it's got real power behind it. So with Tzero, even though this is an entry-level product by price, it's not entry-level by design, by fit, by finish. This is a real 100-watt high-current Class D amplifier. The reason we use Class D in these pieces is to keep the amount of space taken up to an absolute minimum. Less space means more bass for you. Even though we're not charging an arm and a leg for this, these are real polished stainless 304 bolts. These will never rust out on you. And the most important feature on this entire piece resides right here. This is our legendary high-level input. This is the first time in the range that you get this. The important thing to realize about REL High Level is it's not like anyone else's. These allow perfect seamless blending of subwoofer with main speaker. No one does it the way we do. Nobody can sound like a REL. Tzero is not an entry-level piece. This is truly an entry-level luxury piece. When you look at a Tzero, you're looking at 5 coats of hand-rubbed lacquer, real cast aluminium. It's a fantastic piece with a 6.5-inch very quick aluminium driver and a true 100-watt high-current amplifier. At the end of the day, we originally designed this thing hoping it would be a lovely piece to match up with computer audio or multimedia. We got so much more than we expected. This is a great piece, fully capable of keeping up with entry-level high-end speakers or modest-sized rooms. Everybody who owns a Tzero loves this.